take a moment to share the XCL single sign-on option. I'm going to go into a brand template that has SSO assigned to it. And I'm going to jump over to the fourth step, which is customizing the fields on the landing page for your content. And you'll notice here that I have elected to use single sign-on rather than using a form. So if I uncheck single sign-on, I can then use the form fields. But if I choose single sign-on, you'll notice that it gives me the ability to sign in this case with Google. If you have multiple SSO provider integrations, those would be listed here, and you would check off the single sign-on options that you'd like to have for that piece of content. You might have something like Google or Microsoft or some other authentication in your organization. You also have the option to use single sign-on alongside the form fields. So if there were other form fields you wanted to collect, you can use both single sign-on and form fields. As you'll notice here, I have both options available. I'm going to, in this case, just use SSO only. And let's go check out a link that has SSO applied to it. Here is a link that is using that brand template. I'm going to view that link, and you'll notice here that I have SSO as that sign-in option. If I sign on using my Google sign-on, it will then give me a message saying that I am logged in with Google in this case. And when I continue, in this example, it's just a PDF. Here's my content. And then if I go back over to my analytics, I can see that it will pull in my Google information that I viewed that slideshow and any other data that's reported as I interact with it.